Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you soft Sabudana Khichdi recipe for fasting. It's super delicious and easy to make. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make soft Sabudana Khichdi. Soak about a cup of Sabudana overnight in water. Next day, drain all the water and here you have the Sabudana ready. Add it to a bowl. Next, add about 3/4 cup of roasted and crushed peanuts, some sugar and salt to taste. Give everything a good mix. The sago mix is now ready. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Spread it through the pan like this. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 green chili, and you can increase or decrease the number of green chilies per your spice level. 1 medium boiled potato, and I have chopped it into small cubes. The flame is on the medium. Fry the potatoes for a minute or two. The jeera tempering for these potatoes adds an amazing flavor to the Sabudana Khichdi. Now add the sago mix that we had prepared. Give everything a really good mix. The flame continues to be on the medium. Now turn the flame to medium-low and we are going to cover and let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, open and give it a good mix. Now comes the very important step of continuously stirring the Sabudana Khichdi until all the sago seeds turn transparent. Like this. Switch off the flame and garnish with some coriander leaves. You can also add some lemon juice. Soft Sabudana Khichdi for fasting is now ready. Super simple to make and very delicious. With these easy steps to follow, definitely give it a try. It's soft and as you can see, each of the sago seeds are separate as well. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.